How to add Safeguard bot on Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to add Safeguard bot on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to add the Safeguard bot, tap on to search bar at the top just right here, select it and simply type @safeguard and underscore robot just like this and search for it. Now here you can find the Safeguard bot. Now tap on to the profile icon of the bot right here at the top just like this. Then here you can find add to group or channel just right here. Tap on it. Now simply choose the group or channel where you want to add this Safeguard bot just like this and add bot as admin just like this, and then tap on to add as admin once again. Now you can see the Safeguard bot has been added to that group just right here. And that's it. This is how you can add Safeguard bot in Telegram. Now do the same process to add on to the other channels or groups. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.